So we made it back to the Summit House here. See what we can find in the cafeteria. Look at another one of those 50-cent pay binoculars where you can't see a whole lot. So like I said, there's all kinds of skiing here too in the winter time. You can see off there, there's the trails, the signs for the trails, some black diamonds and some blue trails. There's the chair lift. Still not a whole lot to see. We're gonna go inside, go to the cafeteria. I don't know where Nick went. Guess he went this way. So we'll go this way. Here's the cafeteria. This way. All right. We'll go inside. Look at a wood stove up here. Ah, it's a gas stove. It's kind of neat though. Had some ambiance up here. Pretty cool. See if we can find a place to sit. Doesn't look like there's a whole lot going on here. If they're serving any food. Doesn't look like a whole lot's going on up here. I was hoping we could find some food to try. See if we can put this down. So hoping we could find some food to try, but not a whole lot of activity. We shall see. My coffee mug back. Alright, we'll be back. I don't know if they're doing any food up here. Again, they want us to wear masks. I don't see a menu or anything. They got snacks. Hot drinks up here. Coffee, tea, hot chocolate. Of course, they got water and soda. They get grab and go sandwiches and things. Doesn't look like they're serving any breakfast or anything. Some cookies. Maple whoopie pies. Some muffins. We got some chips, some candy bars. We got some hot stuff, but I don't think they're doing anything. You guys cooking anything? Or?
Yeah, we got go over our menu for you yet. But we've got chicken fingers and fries, burgers, grilled chicken, pulled pork. We've got chili and chicken noodle soup today. What else do we got? We got breakfast sandwiches.
Okay. Want a breakfast sandwich?
Yeah.
Yeah, why don't we get a couple breakfast sandwiches? Here,
Sure.
You want to be cameraman? Sure.
We got ham, sausage, and bacon for the meat.
I'll have a ham one.
All right.
What would you like?
Sausage, please.
Sausage.
So ham, egg, and cheese, and a sausage, egg, and cheese.
Yeah.
English muffin?
Yeah, English muffin would be great.
Okay.
And a couple, you want a coffee?
Okay.
Yeah, a couple coffees.
12 or 16 ounce.
I'll do a 12 ounce. You want a 12?
Sure.
Yeah, a couple 12 ounces.
I'd like a muffin too.
Take a credit card? So they do take credit cards, which is good.
At the top of the mountain.
The top of the mountain, the Tram Cafe. So we're gonna have some breakfast. A couple breakfast sandwiches. See how that's gonna be. Give us some energy for more hiking.
Yes.
483.
Alright, just put it through here, or I get it free?
back. Okay, let me try it on this side. See if I grab that. Oh, that's fine.
Maybe I put it through the
Didn't
wrong
have it
way.
in the right nose this one.
Okay.
I'm gonna go this time.
Thank you,
And
sir.
then, I'll have those in about 5 minutes for you.
Okay.
And then right down at the end.
Coffee's on there. Okay.
Thank you.
All right, so we got a couple of breakfast sandwiches coming. And let's see. I'll take that, Nick. Looks like we got two different coffees to choose from. They're both White Mountain Blend, but one's a decaf, and one is the high test with caffeine in it.
We don't do decaf.
Yeah, no decaf for me-o. No decafo for me-o. They got hot chocolate. There it is. Nick's gonna pour the coffee for us.
1 lunch or 2?
I don't need any sugar. I'll have mine black, thank you. But they have, there's a sugarer,
Want a cover?
a sugarer.
My sugar now?
Yeah, I'll have a cover. I'll put a cover on that. They have a sugar and sweetener station. 1 push equals 1 packet. So I guess you just hit the button. Not sure. Oh, so they got the cream is here in the little caddy. Nick's getting himself some creamer. Like I said, let's see, what do they got? They got pink sweetener, Splenda, blue sweetener, and sugar.
Blue sweet.
I'm not sure what pink and blue sweetener are. Maybe somebody out there knows. Maybe you can tell us in the comments. I have no idea what that is. Probably some chemical sweetener that's probably not so good for you, but I don't know. If you know what it is, let us know. I have no idea. Again, I have my coffee black, so I like it black and bitter. And I think so we're gonna just hang out over here, wait for the sandwiches. So this is part of it. And there's the sad bar. It's closed. I got another gas stove over there. Looks like they have a TV. I bet this place is hopping during ski season. I bet it's packed in here. Place to come out of the cold, get something warm to eat and drink, and probably a lot of fun. I mean, we're having fun even though it's cloudy. Again, here's the sad bar. Nothing happening. Although it's pretty early. It's what time is it? Let's see. It's 9:49 a.m. So the drinking lamp has not been lit yet.
You want a muffin?
I didn't buy one.
No, I want a muffin too.
All right. You gonna buy me one?
Yeah.
All right.
You want blueberry?
Well, let's see what we have. So Nick's gonna purchase me a muffin. I think I already bought one muffin, so
These?
yeah, so I think you just need to buy one more.
Oh, okay.
Let's see, what do they have here?
So the blueberry.
That looks like blueberry, and that's probably like
Cinnamon.
coffee cake maybe. I'll just do a blueberry one's fine. Take that one and, yeah, give me that one in the back. Yeah, give me that one. I think we already paid for one, Nick.
I wasn't sure if you heard me or not.
Let me check on the slip. I think we bought one muffin already.
You bought one muffin,
I
right?
did try
Yeah.
to-
Okay.
Yeah, so he's just buying another one.
More or less.
Excellent. All right, so we'll head back over here, and we'll get ready to eat our breakfast. Got a nice view here of the clouds.
You gotta have a muffin with your coffee.
How much was that muffin?
$4.09, that was with tax.
$4.09 for a muffin. Well, I guess considering you're at the top of a mountain,
It's not too bad.
you know, it's a little pricey, but again, we're at the top of a mountain.
They look bakery fresh.
So let's we'll see how the muffin is. So Nick's got the muffin here. Looks like a blueberry one, right?
Oh, it's definitely blueberry.
Yeah. It's big. It looks fresh. Let's see inside there. What's it look like? Yeah, it looks pretty good. All right, have a bite. Tell us what you think. Is it
good.
worth the $409 plus tax?
Absolutely.
Okay, so we're going to enjoy our muffin, and then when we get our breakfast sandwiches, we'll feature those as well. So we will be back. So there's my muffin. I think that's cranberry and not blueberry.
Yeah, it might be cranberry nut.
I think it's a cranberry nut muffin.
It's a little it is sour. Blueberry's a little more purple.
So, how do I describe this muffin? It's definitely cranberry nut.
I was mistaken.
It's very moist and fresh. It's actually very good. It's full of cranberries inside and nuts. See? It's delicious. Very delicious. Okay, so I'm gonna try my sandwich here. I've been gonna put some ketchup on it. That's how I like my breakfast sandwich. Let's see if we can do this with one hand. Put some ketchup on it. As you can see, that it's got nice egg in there, and it's got cheese and ham inside. There's the ham. I think the cheese is under the egg, but they're big. They're really good size. Let's see. So this could be a thumbnail. Me with my sandwich, my breakfast sandwich, my delicious breakfast sandwich. Let's try it. Yeah, that's good. Fresh cooked egg. English muffin that's moist and fluffy. It's not dried out. It's not toasted too much. It's got some real ham on there, which is good. It's not the processed stuff. It looks really good. Very tasty. So let's see. We got two small coffees, 2 cranberry nut muffins, and 2 egg sandwiches, breakfast sandwiches, and the total cost was $28.89. So it's a little pricey for 2 people, but again, we're at a tourist spot here, and we're at the top of a mountain, so I'm sure they have to bring everything they have here up on the tram, and then there's some cost in preparing it as well. So let's see, there's the price tag there. See if can you see that? Let's see if we can see that. There it is right there. Cannon Mountain Tram Cafe. So for just under $30 we get breakfast for the 2 of us. That's, considering where we're at, I suppose that's not too bad. So we're going to enjoy breakfast, and then we'll possibly do some more hiking. See, the clouds are still out there. They haven't burned off at all. It is, what time is it? It is 10:02 a.m. So I don't know if the clouds are going to burn off or not at any time soon, but we're making the best of it here at the Cannon Mountain Tram, at the Tram Cafe. We'll enjoy our breakfast.